And how's it going, guys? Josh Olufemii here, live in LA, and welcome to yet another creative week with Nick Khoo, aka Nick Ben Khoo Motion on Instagram. Today we're going to be doing a Stormzy video breakdown. Creative week is a time when we step in every day with one of my friends that's more creative and more talented than myself and conquer a lot of really cool topics.
G'day everyone, welcome back to the Olufemii channel. Thank you Josh once again for that incredible intro. I'm going to dive into another music video today, but this one's going to be a little bit different. We're going to talk about how the film and music video industry are leveraging video game technology to make content. And a great example of this new marriage of technology is in this video clip by Stormzy called Rainfall, which was actually a video clip that they made for the video game Watch Dogs. But before we get started, I wanted to introduce to you this new product we just created called the Lyric Video Creator Kit. It has 20 customizable animated lyric templates that you can easily drag and drop into your Premiere timeline, with lots of options to customize your text, including colors, textures, and glows. Not only that, we're including 10 overlay video elements to really make your videos pop. Plus, we've added a Premiere starter project with 5 different videos to help jumpstart your lyric videos. So what are you waiting for? Grab your Lyric Video Creator Kit today and start making those sweet, sweet lyric videos. What's interesting about this one is the marriage of a couple of different technologies that are kind of blended together. Obviously, we've got this sort of mocap business where, that's not really kind of new. We've seen this a lot in basically every Hollywood movie across the globe at this point. There is some level of mocap. You want to capture people in any kind of system. You get them to put on one of those rinky-dink suits and capture them in what they call the void with multiple cameras. In this particular instance, with the Watchdog video clip, they used, I think, 81 different types of cameras to basically capture all the movement of Stormzy. And as he was going through, they were using a video game engine to basically run a lot of the scenarios as they were going through. So he was just doing the whole song in one take. And as he was doing that, he was being transitioned in the scenes into different places during the shoot, which is kind of fascinating. Now, the thing I do want to point out is that they are using a video game engine, effectively probably a souped up version of what I think is the Watchdog engine, which is obviously a real-time engine. Now, what's kind of cool about this is if you do watch the video, is that the quality of the rendering is pretty damn good. And the reason I bring this up is because we're seeing technology advance to the point where we can actually do real-time ray tracing, effects like real-time reflections, real-time light bouncing off characters, and we're able to see all this stuff happen on set. So we don't have to look at previs sort of looking models. We can actually get a feel for the mood and the lighting and the way that the actual shot will look right now. I mean, even with the release of the new Xbox and PlayStation consoles, they are leveraging the technology that is able to do real-time ray tracing within the actual software itself in real time, which is amazing. There was a video that I did with Josh earlier called Are Green Screens Dead? Or something along those sort of lines, or is this the end of green screen effectively? And in that video, we discuss how The Mandalorian achieves a unique effect of creating realistic looking environments in real time, using something similar to a video game engine. The fact that computers are now fast enough to create photorealistic imagery on the fly is absolutely mind-blowing, and using the same technology that is now readily accessible in video games also blows my mind. You only need to look at the latest PlayStation and Xbox consoles to really appreciate the next level of graphics coming out of those things. And likewise with this Stormzy video clip, by leveraging the real-time technology of a video game engine, the director can virtually direct his actors in the virtual world and know right there and then if they got the performance they wanted, and whether the shot the physical cameraman is shooting captured the performance satisfactorily. This unique marriage of technology introduces a new pipeline in which people who are usually delegated to the post-production process, like VFX and 3D modeling for example, are now being asked to be on set so they can adjust their visual effects in real time in order to suit the scene. This new way of working, in my humble opinion, will soon be the norm on a lot of sets and will be the new gold standard to filmmaking. Of course, motion capture and real-time 3D tech seems out of reach for most of you watching out there, but I just want to remind you, it'll only be a matter of time before someone figures it out for the broader consumer market. Just remember, shooting on a green screen was super hard to do in real time without spending a buttload on a specific keying machine about 10 years ago. But now, just about every streamer and his dog is keying in real time and broadcasting to the web. Think about that for a second. Anyway, guys, I hope that's been useful. I've got some more stuff coming up this week and more stuff to talk about. We got some interesting visual effects stuff coming up this week. So thanks for listening, and I'll catch you next time. And if you want to check out everything that's happening with me on the socials, you can go to nickbenku_motion and check out all the fun stuff that I'm putting up there. You can ask me questions or you send me a message. I will answer. Anyway, guys, thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time.
Wow, Nick, that was simply amazing. I hope all of you guys have been having a great time so far. We have still a couple more videos for you in Creative Week. Please make sure to check out all the videos in this week's creative series down in the description below. Remember, you can get a first month of Envato Elements for only $9 in the link below. We've stopped doing the free month offer. That's been an offer that's been going on for about 6 months. It finally came to an end, but you can still get the first month for $9. Every subscription really helps the channel, so please make sure to check it out. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and as always, remember to keep it chill.